Okay, you guys, today is the day for the Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bag for 2020. Can I get a hoorah? Okay. Anyways, as you can tell, we are a Jeffree Star fan, okay? We have lots of liquid lipsticks back there on our Jeffree Star liquid lipstick display holder, okay? We love Jeffree around here. We always do unboxings here, spoiler videos for upcoming freaking Jeffree Star mystery boxes. We do all kinds of things here, okay? Okay, so we finally got our Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bag. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. We ordered it in December and it's finally here just in time for my birthday, which is on Tuesday, so yay! Here's the box, you guys, and you know what? I smell a giveaway. So here's the deal. This is how the giveaway is going to go. I am going to be saying the word exciting several times throughout this video. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and guess how many times you have heard me say exciting or have seen the word exciting in this video. Anyone with the correct answer at the end of the giveaway, which will end in 7 days, look down below in the description box for the full details. They will be entered in, and then you guys will compete. I'll put your name in the random picker and someone will win. So you have to count how many times I say exciting in this video, or you see the word exciting. Count and tell me down below. And if you get the correct answer, you'll be entered and then, you know, but you can only do it once and I will be watching. So don't comment down below and then delete your comment or edit your comment, because I will know. I have everybody who comments coming to my notifications, so I know. So that's how it's gonna work. All the little details will be in the description, but I'm excited to open this up. This is very exciting. I have my Smith & Wesson here, so let's open this and see what we got in here, because I am so freaking excited. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been waiting for this. Oh my God. Oh, you hear that sweet sound? So my box was packed with love in Philadelphia, and it was packed by SJ. Thank you so much. So it says Lucky Bag 2020 on this tag. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2020. Hashtag Beautylish. So let's bust into it. Again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. And don't forget to count how many times I say exciting in this video, or if you see the word exciting. Could you imagine if only one person got it correct? There wouldn't have to be a tally, a little comment thing, because you know what? We'll just automatically know. And my God, you guys, I'm so excited. The first thing on top, and this is something I was like kind of wanting to buy on Black Friday, but I didn't, and I got it. So look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks in his 5-year anniversary edition little box. We have, oh, Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. And I am so freaking excited, you guys. I'm excited. We will do swatches at the end of the video, so if you guys want to see it, stay tuned till the end, which, I mean, I think you're gonna want to, so you can see how many times I say exciting in this video. Anyways, so I got that. And then the next thing in here is the Androgyny little lip liner, which is perfect because it's going to go with my liquid lipstick over here. I do have the shade in a mini size, but I don't have a full size. So I'm very, very excited because it's a very pretty color. And I don't even have this lip liner. So yay, we have Androgyny here in a lip liner. Couldn't be happier. Freaking stoked. Great. Okay, now we have a Liquid Frost, and we have it in the shade Goddess. So this one is actually a really, really dark shade. I'm going to open it up from the bottom just so I can show you what it looks like. But this is going to be in the giveaway today because I don't have a use for it since it is so dark. So this is the shade right here, and this is going in the giveaway. That is so exciting. So Goddess will be in the giveaway. The next item in here is the Blue Blood palette, which came in the mystery boxes this last time around. Don't forget there is going to be Valentine's Day mystery boxes, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be giving this palette away. I'm just going to open it up and make sure that it is not broken first, because I don't want to, like, you know, say I'm giving it away and then it's broken. So, and it is not broken. So I am going to be giving this palette away. Yeah, I'm very excited about it. So Blue Blood palette going in the giveaway. Next up is a pack of the blue straws. I'm so excited for this. Like, you have no idea. It says, be iconic and classy with these Jeffree Star approved custom blue stainless steel straws. So there is a pack of 4. 3 of them are the curved ones, and then you have one that is straight, and then you have a cleaning brush in here. So yeah, that is super exciting. So yeah, let's just show you what they look like really quick. I do appreciate that they're all different colors, so I do like that a lot. I cannot wait to get a lot of use out of these. I can't put them back in the packaging, but I'm just gonna go throw them in my sink when I'm done with this video anyways. Okay, and I think we have one more item in here. We don't. That was all we got? That was it? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I thought we had more items, but we just have more tissue paper. So that's all we got in this lucky bag. Okay. Okay, we're done. I didn't expect that. I thought we had like one more item or something. Okay, so I am pretty excited about this. These are so exciting, and I'm gonna do some swatches for you. I am pretty pumped. Plus, I wanted to buy Ho Ho Ho, and I just did it. So now we have Ho Ho Ho. So yay, yay, yay. And I do want to compare really quick Ho 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 to Poinsettia and then the mystery shade. I just want to see the difference. So I'm just gonna do a little swatcheroo of Ho Ho Ho. Well, we'll do it on the back of my hand. Let me grab my other 2 shades from my vault back here. Okay, so we're gonna start out with Poinsettia first, and then the mystery liquid lip that we got. Okay, so yeah, there is definitely a difference between all of the liquid lips here, and they're all metallic too. I think Ho 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 is metallic, or maybe it's not metallic. Oh, well, anyways, that's the comparison to those 3 shades. So, okay, just busted a hole in my own logic, didn't I? It's not even a freaking metallic. I thought it was. No, it isn't metallic, right? There's like pinky purple reflex in Ho 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 too, which is like super freaking pretty. And we can just go ahead and add this to our little collection back here as well. Now let's look at the shade Mistletoe, which is a really pretty green, which is also eye safe if you guys don't want to put it on your lips. I totally understand. And it's actually such a really like pretty true green for Christmas. Like, it's so pretty. Could you imagine this is like eyeliner? Like, yum. Now we have Androgyny, which is very exciting. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. So pretty. I love how mauve-y it looks. And we're going to compare it next to the lip liner Androgyny to see how well the colors match up. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we have Doll Parts, which I actually already own this, but I don't own it in this white packaging. So am I a hoarder? Absolutely. So there's Doll Parts here. And you know what I've noticed? These are like really liquidy. Like, maybe it's because I didn't shake it. That's probably what it is. So let's place the Doll Parts down. And then the last one is the shade Drug Lord. And it's just your pure white shade, which would be really cute as an eyeliner or setting your eyes as a eye primer. It's going to be pure white, so it'll really make those colors pop when you do like a really bright color. I need to mix this because it's like really like liquidy. So yeah, there's no color to it. It's literally just pure white. So these are the shades here. So yay, that's exciting. I don't have another place for it, so I guess I'm gonna have to buy more of these. Oh no, I do have a place. Hold on. Okay, now we are complete. None of my minis are up here, but just their other ones. But anyways, that is it for my lucky bag, which was really exciting. Like, I'm so excited about it. And you guys, I have some really bad news. The Thirsty palette and the Alien palette are discontinued and they're sold out everywhere because I wanted to get my hands on the Alien palette because you guys know I've been wanting that palette so bad, and this is so not exciting, and I'm very sad because I went to Poshmark to buy it, and guess what? The prices all the way up to $100 for the palettes now, so I'm just like, you guys are terrible people. But also I get the hustle, so okay. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you loved it, again, give it a thumbs up, enter yourself in the giveaway, see how many times I said exciting in this video, or if you saw the word exciting, then let me know in the comments down below. Put your Twitter, Instagram, or email so I can contact you if you do win. I think I'm going to do some sort of like video where the people who did guess the correct time that I said the word, and maybe we'll do something like in a video and it'll be like real time. Maybe I'll go live. I just think it would be really fun to do that, kind of like Wheel of Fortune, like, you know, but anyways, that is it. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my video. It's very exciting to have you guys here with me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!